This is the Tate Britain, and it's lift tour time. You won't believe it, but this is actually a lift made by Sesame Access. This floor is actually a lift. Look. Yeah, what's it doing? This is just the weirdest thing I've ever seen. I'm going up. Back into how it normally is. Wow. This is a lift. That's supposed to go down. Why isn't it doing it? Oh no. That's supposed to go to... It goes to the members' room. And now to the main lift, which is a Schindler. Now to our first proper lift. It sounds like an eco-disc. It's like not exactly actually, it's very similar. The lifts in the Tate Britain are all very big.
Lift is going down. Door closing.
That's the Schindler chime. These buttons don't do anything, they're just an indicator. That's the classic Schindler chime. This should be, I put minus 0 and plus or something.
Lift is going down. Door closing. Floor 0.
And now to our next lift, which is in this modernist part of the building. It's a very big lift. It's hydraulic.
Lift going up.
Very big. That's where the original buttons were, and they've got rid of them. I can't identify this lift.
Doors about to close.
Staff only.
Doors closing.
Very slow doors. This is a massive lift. It feels like a goods lift. This is where the original button panels were. And that was the original indicator. There's no reason why I had to look at the indicator. I think this might, and the new indicator is not very good. I think this might have been an old Otis, because that's the method commonly used to horribly modernise old Otises. This lift has a round button panel which is very big. All of the lifts here are designed to feel unnecessarily big. I mean, look, that's the hole for the triangle key, all the way up there, right up there. Fireman couldn't reach that. That is seriously the hole to put the triangle key in, to open the doors. The hydraulic system seems to be pulsing in this lift. I mean, seriously, no one could reach that. That's the triangle keyhole. And this lift is enormous.
Lift going down. Mind the doors. Doors closing.
Look, manual operation of mountain lift. Insert car key into normal position. Turn right to car preference. To go to the first floor, outside press 1, hold
Level 0, lower floor. Mountain entrance and exhibition.
First floor level. The
Doors
doors on the mountain
open.
staircase side will open. To open the doors on the occupant side, insert the staff key into the staff level 1.
Mind the doors. Doors closing.
NB. You must wait until the doors are fully open on the maintenance staircase side, or the lift will go out of service. Please also remember not to select too highly on the maintenance staircase side to these doors open quick. They will open, the lift go to service. That generic logic's so stupid.
Doors opening.